Hello everybody, you are welcome. Then I did Boy for Money Biz. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this website for free. It's a blogging site for free. It's costing you absolutely nothing. It's $0, it's $0, zero CDs, anywhere you are in the world, and can be accessed worldwide. It is a free website where you can begin to blog, begin to start your money making blog anywhere you are in the world. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in learning how to make this type of website, it's important you watch this video to the very end. Now let me show you the back end of the website. So this is the back end of the website. Like this is what you can actually log into, and you can carry out some of the transaction you want to carry out with YouGap. And apart from that, you can even create more websites free, absolutely free. So if you are interested, watch this video to the very end. So the first thing you are going to do now is to actually create an account on Google, because we'll be using Google to create our website. So we'll be creating a website on something known as Blogger. So Blogger is owned by Google for blogger like you and I, so you can make cool money. So the first thing you're going to do, just go to your browser here and search for Blogger. Just search for Blogger. It's very important that you search for Blogger. Just search for Blogger, then it's going to pop up like this for you. So blogger.com. The actual URL is blogger.com. But if I want to sign in now, for example, all you have to do, it is very important. The first thing you have to do is to own a Gmail. And to open Gmail is extremely easy. Just press on your browser gmail.com and you sign in, create an account, and you're good to go. So it's very important you have a Gmail. So a Gmail, for example, can be danaderoboyi@gmail.com. That is a Gmail. So you get is a mail that you have created on Google, and that one is also absolutely free. Now I have created a Gmail. The next I'm going to do is to click on sign in. So let me click on sign in here. So it's most likely to take me straight into my account, because I've already signed in into an account. So but let's look at it here. So let me just if you have gotten an account on Blogger, so this will be the first thing it's going to give to you. So if I want to log out of this account, I'm going to click on my image icon here, and I can log out. So presently I am logging in as Dan Aderoboyi, as you can see here. So this is present in my present email. So I can actually decide to log out of it. So when you click on these three dots here, let me show you these three dots here. It's going to show you some application that is available on Google. So when I click on it now, it's going to pop up. So these are the applications that Google owns. Application that Google. So you have Google Search, Google Map, you have your own account, you have YouTube Play, Gmail, and the rest. So this is the Blogger that we're just actually using. So it's also owned by Google, and it is free. Alright, so after doing that, the next thing you're going to do, when you click on sign in, you have to put in to tell you welcome to Blogger, confirm your profile. You have to put in the name, your name. So this display name is going to be the name that is going to display under each blog post, under each post on your website. So you can put any name there. So let me leave my own as Daniel. Then you click on continue to Blogger. Okay, let's see. So when you click on continue to Blogger, it's just going to take you straight into your own Blogger account. Because I actually have a Blogger account, but I don't want to go into this. When I click on this plus, for example, let's see, it's telling me to create a new post. So I'm not going to create a new post. Let me just sign out from this present account and show you how things is being done. And let me just sign out. So let me sign into an account that I've not create a Blogger post into before. So now I'm signing in into a new account. Remember that I just signed out of my former account. So when you create a Google Mail and you click on Blogger and you sign in on Blogger, so it's going to take you. So this will be the first thing it's going to take you to do. That you choose a link for your blog. So let me call the name of my blog. And if the blog name is not available, tell you it's not available. So let me choose a link. Now, before you actually start blogging, it's very important you decide the link you are going to blog on. So link is a particular industry that you decide writing blog post on. Please do not go for the industry that people are already into, like entertainment, news. That one is already overcrowded. You can be specific in your industry. In fact, you can even blog about Jumia alone. So you are more specific in your industry. Jumia is an e-commerce store, and you decide to blog about. They can blog about even Konga alone. So you have to be specific in your industry. YouGap is very simple and very straightforward, and it's going to help you a lot. It's going to help you and help you a lot. So let me just come about. Let's call this our blog post Jumia. So let's say we want to blog about only Jumia. So let me just call it Jumia Jumia blog. Let me just call it Jumia blog, and let's search for it. When you call it Jumia blog, just come here and click on next. Okay, all right. So that previous one is not the name of your blog. Is the name of that is going to display at the top of your website. You can see the name. Choose the name for your blog. It's going to display at the top of your website. So I'm going to leave it as Jumia blog too. Show you gap. So I'm going to click on next. Then this one, choose a URL for your blog. So this is going to be the URL that people is going to go to and they're going to see your blog. Okay, let's call it Jumia blog. So Jumia blog.blogpost.com. Let's see, is it available? Sorry, this blog address is not available. So let's call it Jumia app. Let's see, Jumia app. Is Jumia app available? Okay, now Jumia app.blogspot.com, it is available. So I decided to create this blog post on Jumia. So I'm going to be helping people on how to choose the best app. Sorry about that. Choose people how to choose the best product on Jumia. How to choose the best how to go on everything that involves Jumia. Is it JForce, Jumia Village? I'll be helping people. Actually, I might end up creating a website, a blog like this, but I'm just showing you examples. So you can decide to go on with this. For example, you can call your own Jumia aid. So just to make it different. So Jumia, I'm sure that when you go online, you won't see any blog that's actually talking that's more specific about Jumia, except for one post I've seen about Jumia, one blog that is actually specific about Jumia. Jumia is a big e-commerce store, and so some people get confused on how to go about it. So when you now be more specific on Jumia alone, you'll be surprised that you will make money. So you just put your link everywhere, your affiliate link anywhere. Like when anybody click on anything to go and get any product on Jumia, you make money. So for example, on this Jumia app, I'm only choosing a specific niche. I'm more specific. You can be on Konga, you can be on anything, but do not make it to be so bold. Be more narrow in your niche. Be more narrow in your website, and you see that you begin to make money in no time. So I'm using Jumia app here. Then click on next. So now it's going to be display name. The name I want you to display. So I'm going to call it Jumia. So instead of me calling my name, let me just call it Jumia app. Let me also leave it as Jumia app. Then I'm going to click on next or click on finish. It's finished, that is there. Alright, so it's now processing. Bam. Bang, bang, bang. As you can see, we are now straight into at the back end of our website. So this is how it literally look like. So when you come down here, you can actually view your web if you want to view your web and see how things is. So when I click on this button up here, it's going to tell me the truth. I can have opportunity of even creating another blog. So I can create another blog on this same account. So and I love it. It's very unique, isn't it? All right. So now this is everything I have here. Now I don't really have any post. So if I try to view my blog, it's not going to give me any post. So now you can actually change your account again. If you want to change your account, so you gap. So that's how everything is there. So I click on this amber button. All right. So where is the place of view blog? Okay. Let me click on setting and see if I can be able to view my blog here. Now, one other thing you must do in setting here, you can actually set so many things about your blog post, which I think it is very important. You actually set everything in your blog post. So the first thing you're going to set, you can actually close this. Let's close this one. Okay. The first thing you're going to set, let's close this one too. Because you can see here, the title of your blog is Jumia blog. The description, you can actually write about your blog. So let's put here, welcome to Jumia Help, a place where you can get the help needed to make the right choice. Okay, let's leave it like that. Then click on save. So the description is going to get saved. And remember that in your description, make sure that the key point is your SEO is there. So instead of me wake up to Jumia, I can also put just to put enough SEO, make the right choice on your shopping on Jumia. So I also put the SEO, that is Jumia there. Then click on save. My blog title, blog language is English, adult stuff. So we're not putting any adults. I'll leave it at that. Then this five icon. Now, five icon is something like this. Let me show you this. So, for example, I hope you can see this. When you come to this page, you can see this page is circle. You can see that small logo there is known as five icon. So you can actually get your own five icon too. Show you gap. So we'll do that later on, or I'll also show you how you can do that. Actually, you can create a five icon by going to, when I click on it now, for example, it's going to tell me I should just choose anyone, but it must be less than 100 KB. So you can actually go to canva.com and create a 5 icon. Alright, so that's very simple and straightforward. So let me just go back here. Then you can privacy visible to search engine, leave that alone, because so it's very important to make your website to be visible to site engine. Now you can see our blog post site here. So when I click on it and I just try to web search it, let's see what's going to come up for us. You can see that it is not yet visible on Google and it's not showing actually showing. Alright, so let's go back. Let's just go back to our blog post as we are designing. Now you can choose a custom domain. You can actually buy it if you want to. For example, you can try to have jumiahelp.com. So you got, and it's going to be a free hosting, but you have to buy the domain. So for example, if I just come here and write jumiahelp.com and I click on buy domain, so it's going to just load to domain.google.com, where I can actually choose a whole domain that I want to actually choose. So you got, so it's very straightforward like that. So just to save time, let's just go back to our stuff when we are doing here. Okay, not here. I think I actually created another one down there. Okay, let me just click on back, so it's going to take me back to where I'm coming from before. All right, good. So now you can do every other thing, leave everything the way they are. There's no issue with that. Okay, just leave them the way they are. Post using email. Okay. All right. So your time zone, you can change this time zone to anyone you want. So since I'm here in Africa, I can just look for, let's see, maybe there's Lagos there. Okay, just look for any time zone that is very specific to your own country. All right, so I'm just searching just to save time, though. I think it's going to take a while for me to locate the Lagos that I want, but you can actually just be patiently and search for the time zone. Okay, Western Africa is that okay. All right, I think I can't actually get hold of it now, so you can actually just do that to get your time code and your comments. Everything here does not have any problem. So now enable search description. So I'm going to click on enable search description, and my search description, I'm going to click on it and put something. Let me just call it Jumia. Let me call it Jumia shopping help. Let's call it Jumia shopping help. I think that's enough for me. Okay, then all that's been done, just leave them the way they are. Now monetization, you can actually enable custom post, but since our this thing is not yet monetized, just leave it the way they are. Alright, so that's been done. Come back and click on this amber button. Just skip down. You can see where you can see your view blog. So you can see view blog. So click on view blog. It's going to open your blog. So now this is how our blog actually looks like, just simple and basic like this. So let us go and download a theme that's going to make our blog look more specific and more beautiful, right? More beautiful. Alright, so I'm just going to close this and come back to the setting. Okay, now to be able to upload a new blog like to make your work more beautiful, you will see where you can see theme here. As you can see theme here, just click on the theme. So when you click on the theme, it's going to load, and you can see so many blogs, so many beautiful blogs. But to be able to get some premium blog for free, although it's for free, but they still have that watermark. So if you want to remove it, you just go to YouTube and just search for how to remove watermarks from premium blog. Now the watermark is the name of the the name of the designer that's going to be under the theme. Like for example, now this one here, you can see here, you can see that the name of the person that designed it is still there. So you can actually go to YouTube and show how to remove that. I could have shown you that in this play, but it's going to take a quite number of time. I don't want this video to be so long. Alright, so let's go back to theme. To get your premium theme, for example, I actually go to Google and I just searched for this URL here, which is known as copybloggertheme.com. So I'm going to put this link below, copybloggertheme.com. Just go to copybloggertheme.com, and you see some themes like this that you can actually select. So I actually selected one of these themes known as zoosportblogger.com. So this I actually got to this place when I press black. So when you click on that URL, you'll be brought to this place here. So you can select anyone you want to select. But I actually selected this first one just for this example. So when I select the first one, you can see okay, is it this one I selected? Okay, this is not the one. This one is for something else. So let's see. I selected this one. Okay, this one that is red here. When I selected this, then to download it is very simple. Just come here and click on download. But mind you, it is free you're not paying any money, but it's going to have the company watermark under, which is going to just to to show that they don't do it. But you can actually remove it if you want to, but that's for another day. So when you have actually downloaded the theme, just go to Google Play Store and download this application. This just called, and the name of the application is known as Z-Archive. Just click on this, search for it and download it. So it's going to be like this. So the app is going to look like something like this. So with this application, you can actually open the extract the zip file. So for example, now I have the zip file here, somewhere here. So this is the zip file here on my phone here. You can see the zip file here. If you download that thing, it's going to be like this. So you have to extract it. You click on it, then you click on extract here. So when you click on extract here, it's going to extract it as a folder. So I've already started before. So this is it up here. You can see that's actually extracted up here as a folder. See having the same name. All I have to do is just to click on it, then click on the template. Also, this is the one we are going to upload. This one in particular is what we are going to upload into our theme. So let us go back and let me show you how I'm going to upload that. So I'm going to come back to my blog that I'm trying to design here. Okay, so we are back here. Hope you now get it. So what I'm going to do is to click on this one here. Click on this one. So when you click on it, okay, it's going to tell you to back up, restore. So click on restore. So when you click on restore, it's going to tell you you can upload theme from a file on your computer. Click on upload. So click on download. Then locate it. Okay, I click on this amber button, then I come down here. I'm actually using a phone. Yeah, I think you should be able to see this. So you come down here where you can see this Z-Archive here. I think this is it here. You can see it down here. So I'm just going to click on it and open it. Then locate that file. No, actually downloaded my also is on download. I click on download. So this is the one up here. I click on the templates, then PAM. So the one I end with ZML is when you're going to upload. So you can see it is restoring my theme, and my theme has been restored. Okay, so let us view the website now and see how it looks like. Okay, so let me just have we closed it? All right, so let's see how it looks like. Sometimes the button down like that, the view website may not want to be visible. All right, so let us click on this amber button and desktop. Let's turn up to desktop version. Then let us click on this amber button so we can view the view blog. I click on the view blog, and so these are my blog looks like now. You can see these are my blogs look like. You can actually edit everything and change the way you want. So let's go back to our back end there. So just going to, so most time if you're working with it, you can just press this 3 amber button here. This 3, okay, I think, okay, this 3 amber button. When you press it, it's going to, then you can select desktop site. So when you select desktop site, your phone will turn to a kind of a computer, so you can actually do things that people in computer also do using just your phone. I think this feature is available on Chrome's browser. So now the next thing you are going to do is to click on post. When you click on post here, click on this amber button. Sorry, when you click on this amber button here, then you can locate post. So from here you can actually write post. So anything you write here is going to appear at the front end. So to be able to write post, it's very simple. You can just come and let me turn it back to mobile site. So I'm going to close this one. So you just click on this plus button here. I think you can see this plus button here. So click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, it's going to create a new post for you. Then you give your post a title. Now this title is what is going to appear up there. So let me just call it best 10 techno phone on Jumia. Techno phones on Jumia. Alright, so let's call it best techno phone on Jumia. Then here is where you're going to put in your content. So let me just type anything dummy here. So you want to put image. You can see all these things up here. So you want to put image, you click on this one, you can upload image, and you can also upload image from Blogger. It's just simple and straightforward like that. And before you know, you've successfully created your site using just your smartphone. Then when you are done, just click on this send here, and everything is going to go well for you. Actually, I'm going to end this video here, but if you want me to give you more in depth on how you can actually create your blog and do everything, you can comment below I'll be glad to do that. But if you need more in depth, you can actually search for other videos on YouTube. But it's very important to subscribe, because I will still be creating some other videos on this Blogger site. Now, the other things you can do, you can come here and click on layout. When you click on layout, you are able to edit every specific part of your website. For example, you can change the logo. So you want to change. Now this is a default thumbnail. Now when we come back to our site here, there should be a default thumbnail that's going to appear up here. So it's going to appear up here. You can actually edit that too. So you just come back to your site here. You can see where they put layout as well. I'll come back to layout. Then you click on this edit button here that turns to green. So you can change everything. You can put image, a default image. If you want to, if you don't want to put anything, just leave it vacant like that. So the next you can put here is your everything here. You have JSON variable. You can actually edit it and change it to anything, but leave it the way it is actually. But what you want to change here is logo. So to change your logo, header logo, click on here and choose the header logo. So just go to canva.com and create any logo you want to go. So this is the present logo that we have there. You can edit it to anyone you want to edit. Then here we have the header menu. So this is the if you come back to your blog here and you click on this amber button, you can see menu here. So all these things here that you are seeing here are called the menu. So you can actually edit them too if you want to. You can take them away and leave them the way they are. So I'm going to edit. Let me just edit that briefly. Where's the header menu? Okay, I think it's somewhere here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this edit, and you can see that these are the header menu that we have. So I can actually remove all this one. I don't like this one. Remove this, remove this. Just remove everything if you want to remove. I'm just going to remove this. Leave it only as home and feature. Now you can actually add more sites if you want to add. For example, when I click on add new menu, I can actually add, put it a site name, put the UI. If you want to refer it to a new site, but if you want to just do it just a normal stuff. So when I say normal stuff, I mean just a normal URL. So I'm going to click on this edit and button. So the home site is home. So the URL, you can actually edit this one too. You can call it something else. So let me just call it top 10. Let me call this one top 10. So I'm having a menu. I want to call top 10. So the URL, just leave it like that. So this URL, now if you want to specific about a page, you can actually create a page and you take the URL to do that place. So let me just click on save. I think I'm okay with that. Save, and just leave that and click on save too. Click on save. So updating your widget, and let's click on the menu back and let's see if that has appeared. So you can see the top 10 has actually appear. I actually change the home to top 10. So we can actually change. I don't believe that there should be home on every website, because even when people click on the link, click on the logo, they will take them to the home. So we have this. You can actually add new. You can keep adding more menu, or you edit menu. So the one that I've edited now, when we come to our blog here and we decide to refresh it, so it's just going to show that one that remains, and you can see that was going to show, and the rest will just go off. So that's how you can actually do everything here. You can close anyone you want it to appear. Just click on this eyes. When I click on this eyes, it's going to close. So for example, I don't want this stuff to appear, so I'm going to click on this place here just to close it and click on save. So it's going to close. It has closed, and that's how you can do everything. So if you want your Google AdSense to appear, you open it, put in your Google AdSense code, and you are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you can do everything. So you can actually edit every part of it, and boom, you have already successfully created your blog site. So keep updating your website with content. Just keep updating with content. Go to Jumia, just look for anything on Jumia. Probably have to have on Jumia, be helping them to solving it there, and you are good to go. Actually, I'm going to delete this website. I'll delete the name, so that if you want to create the same website like jumiablog.com, jumiablog.blogspot.com, you can actually use it. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe you have gotten value in this video. So if you have any question you can ask, I'll be glad to answer you. So I look forward to seeing the next video. Please subscribe. Remember to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I love you. Thank you.